Okay, to turn on Talkback on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, first you have to open the settings, then you will have to scroll down, select General Management, the accessibility is under the General Management. From this you have to select Talkback, and now you can turn it on by clicking on the switcher and click Allow. Now tap to turn off the one-handed mode, because with the Talkback we actually cannot use the one-handed mode, so we have to just turn it off. And now
Talkback on.
It's turned
Welcome
on.
to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback. Page 1 of 5. Talkback provides spoken feedback so that you can
So
use
if you want to navigate in the Talkback, for example, you want to select something, just click on this button once, and then when it's selected, quickly double tap. Okay, let's do it one more time.
Close tutorial.
So you actually have to quickly select this and then quickly double tap. And if you want to scroll down or scroll up, for example, you have to use two fingers. So as you can see, that's how we can use Talkback on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.